Hello friends, actually this is January 2nd, 2015 and so yesterday I hope actually everybody celebrated New Year. Okay, so Happy New Year again. And today I like to discuss about SAP Hybris Cloud in SAP S4HANA. It is nothing but a marketing cloud, is in SAP S4HANA Cloud. So now we are discussing about the, the marketing requirements of digital transformation. Okay, SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud is a marketing component in the SAP S4HANA world. Over the last 10 years, the volume of online sales has grown significantly. You can see the Amazon and all these e-commerce portals. Actually, you can see that Alibaba and everything, right? Over the last 10 years, say in case of even in India, actually we have this Flipkart, all these things, right? And Wiz.com, so all these things. So over the last 10 years, the volume of online sales has grown significantly, right? In the past, customers regularly went to stores or retailers to do their shopping. Today, more and more purchases are made via the internet. Okay, in the early days, the customers were loyal to the retailer, and customers and vendors often knew each other by the name. In the era of anonymous internet, customers' loyalty is volatile. Prices and offers can be compared within minutes, and purchase decisions are made more quickly. While previously you directly told your retailer when you were not satisfied with the service or product, criticism is now distributed millions of times across a social platform such as a Facebook or a Twitter, irrespective of what enterprises think of social media, right? They cannot avoid being a present in this media, even if the only reason is to respond to the criticism and take the appropriate actions. Okay. Therefore, marketing department must fulfill more requirements than a decade ago. Before, a postcard at a Christmas and a note for the special sales campaigns once or twice a year was sufficient to satisfy and retain your customers. And by bringing, by giving calendars, greeting cards, wishes, that will, once you give that, customers will be more happy and they will keep on touch with you and they will keep on purchase the goods in your shop only. But nowadays have changed everything. The customer satisfaction is much more in demand, right? Actually, they need more and more qualified product and they are not satisfied with the what they are getting. So the social platforms pave the way for placing the comments about the product, about the company, about the activity of the salesperson, the activity of the returns. Everything can be monitored globally. Okay. So today you have to analyze and categorize your customers and their needs in much more detail to make customer specific marketing campaign successfully. Okay. Previously, you watered the entire garden with enough water for all the flowers. Now they have to water every flower with the exact amount of water what that flowers needs to furnish. Okay, and that is the main difference. So SAP S4HANA Marketing Cloud becomes SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud. Okay, as of SAP S4HANA Cloud 1702, SAP S4HANA Marketing Cloud is called SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud because this change had not been completely implemented at the time of the creating the video. So some figures still display the subsidiary name. SAP S4HANA Marketing Cloud, because the change will be introduced with the version 1702. We will use the product name current up to version 1611. Therefore, SAP S4HANA Marketing Cloud when we explicitly refer to version 1611. Okay. Best practices in case of SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud is a cloud variant of the SAP on-premise products. SAP hybrid marketing. The cloud solution contains predefined best practices which are available for the on-premise solutions as rapid deployment solution. RDS. I think actually already I have discussed about this RDS, okay, which allows for the rapid deployment of the cloud solutions. For more information on the best practices for these solutions, you can check https colon double forward slash rapid.sip.com slash forward slash bp forward slash hash forward slash bp underscore cld underscore mkt, that is marketing. You configure, enhance, and manage SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud via the SAP Fiori interfaces. As a result, your customer and employees don't need to familiarize themselves with the common SAP tools. Thus, even customers who have never used SAP softwares can quickly get into the SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud, considerably reducing the cost of training and internal support. Okay, and actually you can see every all the dashboards, everything trending, everything available in the uh, SAP Hybris. Okay, so we have profile dashboards, profiles, contact, then corporate accounts, profile graph, and then prediction studio, and then the score builder, marketing locations, and many more channel interest, mix of analytical stories, new and converted contacts, analytical stories, everything. So we have the campaign management, contacts and profiles, all these things into single page, right? So that is the view of the cloud. You see the hybrid marketing cloud initial screen, okay? And this paved for the easy self-service configuration. You can set up the entire system in a guided self-service configuration process. Okay, you don't have, or even if you don't need direct access to the technical infrastructure. Okay, the standardized interfaces for interacting certain business process from SAP Hybris Commerce or SAP Hybris Cloud for customer. Okay, for example, we have shown or which allows for the end-to-end scenarios across multiple lines of business. Social networks such as Facebooks and Twitters are integrated via their public interfaces. So, so you can see all the social medias are integrated so that if the customer places the public comment on the product or a company details, everyone can able to see, and it is integrated with the SAP Hybris Cloud. So, benefits of SaaS solution. The benefit of the cloud-based software as a service, right? SaaS solution is in contrast to the non-premise variant or private cloud solutions include the following examples. Okay, the effort of implementing a solution, for example, purchasing and setting up the technical infrastructures, are omitted or reduced by the cloud-based software service, right? Actually, cloud-based software as a service. Okay, but are required by the on-premise solution. The time period until the solution goes live is shorter. In contrast to the on-premise solution, less technical knowledge and training is necessary to develop the corresponding technical skills. Technical knowledge, example is for SAP HANA, SAP GUI is not required for the cloud solutions. Due to the automatic updates to the latest versions, every quarter you are automatically provided with the latest functions of and enhancement for the solutions. Okay, SAP is entirely responsible for the deployment of the solution and also provides the infrastructure. However, in contrast to the on-premise solution, the flexibility and extensibility of SaaS solution is reduced due to the system design. However, in most cases, the lack of flexibility is offset by the benefits. Functions, I mean by default, SAP Hybrid Marketing Cloud comprises the application areas, right? So consumer and consumer analytics. On the basis of big data information on end customers or customer contacts, as well as their interest, is collected from the various channels and analyzed as same as a traditional business. Right now, the business is, I mean, now the enterprise are getting the email IDs from the website company, and they can normally contact the business for loans or whatever banks or different products marketing. Everything can directly approach a customer, right, by getting the contacts. As a result, you can determine the interest of your customers. Then, based on the insights, you can offer products and solution in a targeted manner and develop more targeted marketing campaigns, which reduces the cost and increase the chance of success. Okay. So, standard scope of SAP Marketing Cloud, right? So, in that, segmentation and campaign management contains segmentation and campaigns block, and consumer analytics contain contacts and profiles, sentiment engagement, customer behavior analysis, and then customer visit history, and then target groups, forecast studios, core builder, query browser. So, this forms a consumer analytics. Okay. And then when next comes to marketing resource management, budget planning, programs analysis or planning, expense management, marketing calendar will compromise the marketing resource management. And commerce marketing includes production recommendation, or I mean that is product management, offer management with loyalty programs. And then we have the dashboard for marketing managers. Okay. And marketing lead management includes lead analysis for lead management. Okay. And this consumer analytics and segmentation and campaign management includes SAP Hybris C4C, SAP Hybris C4 yes, and SAP ERP, SAP Hybris Commerce, SAP Hybris Convert. So those are integrated with the Twitter, Jigya, Spinnaker, Google, AdWords, Facebook, SurveyMonkey, all these things. And this marketing resource management will be linked to SAP ERP, any other systems, or commerce marketing includes SAP Hybrid C4C, SAP Hybrid loyalty management. Okay. And then marketing lead management includes SAP Hybrid C4C for SAP ERP. Segmentation and campaign management, right? The insights gained from the big data can help you to categorize customers into groups so that marketing campaign can be optimized. Okay. We can address existing and potential customers via email and social media in a targeted manner. So the insights gained can more quickly generate actions. And in addition to the emails, you can also address the customers and prospects via marketing campaigns using targeted advertisement in Facebook, newsletters, and incentive driven campaigns can be managed via subscriptions. The external campaign scenario enables you to plan and prepare campaigns in SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud and run them in a different external systems. Okay. And paid search. In paid search campaigns, you use paid searches to place a banners in search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing. In this way, you can draw the attention of prospective customers to your products and solutions. So easily the customer can know the product details and the company profile, everything. So they are attracted to buy the products of your company. Okay. And then commerce marketing is nothing but the product recommendation royalty programs, right? The product recommendations enable you to recommend products during the customer interactions in any channel in real time. Offer management in royalty programs use insights from the royalty analysis of your customers to other products and product categories in a targeted manner. And then budget management in marketing resource management. You can use a marketing resource management function to plan your marketing budgets and cost according to the various criteria. The marketing calendar provides overview of all ongoing and scheduled marketing activities. Okay. And quick overview in a dashboard. So it is a marketing executive dashboard. The marketing executive dashboard provides a quick overview of success of the various marketing instruments used. Information on specific key performance indicators KPIs can be included. For example, brand awareness, distribution channels, and settlement in social media. Okay. And 360-degree customer view. Marketing lead management. The marketing lead management function helps you to acquire new customers and manage leads that have been acquired via marketing campaigns. Marketing experts can define and manage the lead score, and lead stage rules without needing support from the business and data analyst. Okay, thus SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud is a fully integrated multi-channel marketing solution that provides 360-degree customer view. Okay, and a free SAP S/4HANA Marketing Cloud trial versions are available. So this navigates you to 30-day trial versions of SAP S/4HANA Marketing Cloud. So you can easily check with http colon forward double forward dash bit.ly slash try the marketing cloud. Okay. As of this writing, the you can find the free trial versions include the following scenarios, that is customer profiling, segmentation and campaign management, lead marketing, commerce marketing, marketing resource management, marketing analyst. Okay, you can test all the functions here in the below link, that is https colon forward slash double forward slash www.hybris.com slash en slash downloads slash free dot free hyphen trial slash hybris slash hyphen marketing slash 901. Okay, so we have many documentation for SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud. So you can find everything in the SAP marketplace. Actually it is available. So you can find the documentation for SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud on the SAP Help portal, https colon forward slash help.sap.com slash mkt. Choose your version, example 77005, and select your language. Then navigate to the application help and choose SAP Hybris Marketing Cloud to display the SAP documentation. So all the available functionalities are available with SAP S4 HANA help.sap.com. So all websites are available. So I think actually now you have an idea what is a SaaS and what is a marketing resource management, executive board, lead management, what is commerce marketing, segmentation, campaign management, and consumer analytics. So we have 360-degree analytics trend is there, and so why we need the digital transformation. So these are the main aim of this video, to describe about the SAP Hybris Cloud in SAP S/4HANA. I hope actually this is very useful for the sales and distribution consultants and marketing people working in domain to understand the basic what are the components required, and what is SAP S/4HANA Marketing Cloud, which is converted to SAP Hybris Cloud. So this is very useful, I think. So thanks for watching my videos. This is Shiva signing off.